Alright, so in this video we are going to do a graduated bob. As you can see, I'm taking my very first section, which is at a 45-degree angle. I've got my hair in my fingers where it's getting shorter at the neck and longer at the occipital bone. That's the 45-degree angle. So I'm taking diagonal sections, pulling the hair out, making sure my fingertips are aimed towards the neck so it gets nice and short, but then my knuckles aim away so I have some length at the occipital bone. So I'm going to continue to take these diagonal sections, working my way up the back of the head until I get to just above the occipital bone, at which point then I will carry those sections all the way across the side of the head, at which point we will then be executing the side of the haircut. Alright, so as you can see, it's now time to cut the sides of the hair. So I'm holding the hair through my fingers, and I'm just cutting the shape in more of an A-line type shape. You can cut the shape however you want. You can cut a square graduated bob, an A-line graduated bob, somewhere in between. In this particular case, I'm going more A-line. So once I've completed the right side, I will do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, now it is time to do the graduation on the left side. As you can see, I'm taking diagonal sections just like I did on the right side, holding my fingers at a 45-degree angle, keeping the hair longer at the occipital bone and shorter at the neck. I'm going to do the exact type of sections, working my way up the head on the left side as I did on the right side. Alright, so you can see the hair has now been dried. I'm just going through and cleaning up the frame to face layers right there. Just dusting them off to give it a nice clean shape. And then I'm going to also trim the bangs. And once the bangs are trimmed, we'll pretty much be done with the haircut. Alright, we've come to the end of this haircut. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And again, as always, I wanted to thank you guys so very much again for watching, but check out this graduated bob before we go. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video.